Hi Korean food lovers. Some of you may know I'm running a Korean food cooking class at home. So during cooking class, I teach my guests a lot of different type of Korean food. Among them, kimchi pancake is my guest's favorite. Kimchi is loved by so many Korean food lovers all over the world. And with the kimchi, we make a lot of foods, including kimchi fried rice and kimchi pancake. Sometimes we make a kimchi tteokbokki. So today I'm going to cook kimchi pancake. It's very easy. Just follow my recipe and you can master how to make a Korean style pancake with the kimchi. So now let's go for it. This kimchi is around 1 year old. Still, it's very crispy and it still maintains its texture and shape. So with this kimchi, we can make great kimchi pancake. So for today's batch, I think I need maybe a quarter of my kimchi. Ingredients are so simple. Just Korean pancake flour or Korean pancake mix, which is called buchimgaru, plus kimchi and onion. If you want to add some other ingredients in your kimchi pancake, you can put chicken breast and pork and shrimp. But my family's favorite ingredients for our kimchi pancake is squid. But today I'm going to teach you how to make the very basic kimchi pancake with just onion and kimchi. First step is to cut ingredients. I'm going to start with onion. Let's slice onion thinly. I'm going to slice my onion thinly. First cut in half. Slice your onion pole to pole like this. And next thing is to cut my kimchi into small pieces so that we can have enough space of the kimchi pancake dough between all ingredients. Now I'm going to cut my kimchi into small pieces. First, get rid of the stem like this out and make a vertical cut like this and cut into around 2 or 3 centimeters long like that. Next thing is to pour a pancake mix. If you cannot find a Korean pancake mix in the supermarket, you can replace with all-purpose flour plus potato starch or cornstarch, whatever it is. You can use a starch and you can add 10% of your flour. For this amount of kimchi and onion, I think I need around 10 spoons of Korean pancake mix. This is 1 spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make a pancake dough, we need water. Let's start with 1 cup of water and we can adjust a little bit with the flour or water. And I'm going to stir with my spoon. Scrape the bottom and toss and turn like this. Stir until you cannot see the white flour. The dough should not run on the spoon. Stir, and they are almost done. The dough should be like this. Now we are done with our dough. Now it is time for frying with the pan. Turn your heat on. High heat. Pour oil to cover the whole surface. Wait until it is fully heated. For a medium-sized pan, just 1 scoop is enough. So I'm going to pour this kimchi pancake dough on the pan. Then tap 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 from the center to the outside. Spread thinly and make a round shape like this. Then slide like this so that every surface can be coated evenly. When one side is almost done, I'm going to flip my pancake like this. and you press it down so that the other surface can be evenly flat. And again, I need to slide my pan back and forth because without doing this, the center part will not be cooked enough. Because of the weight of the pancake, the oil in the center will be squeezed out. Roll in like this. Flip again. When you flip your pancake, you should not drag down like this and it will be folded like this. Instead, just toss up high like this. Just toss up high. Just toss up high like this. This side is fully done and I need 1 or 2 more minutes for the other side. Okay, now my kimchi pancake is done. Now let's eat kimchi pancake. Break with a chopstick. This is crispy and very yummy. With this kimchi pancake, you can enjoy makgeoli, soju, whatever it is, the Korean drink. So yummy.